What is Bravais lattice? We know that a crystal structure is made up of smallest cells known as unit cell. In the unit cell, the atoms are arranged in specific manner which decides the shape of unit cell. There exist numbers of arrangements of atoms which can be formed by placement of atoms. If the unit cell consists of an atom at each corner, then it is known as simple or primitive unit cell. If the unit cell consists of an atom at each corner and an atom in the center of the cell, then it is known as body-centered unit cell. If the unit cell consists of an atom at each corner and in the center of each face, then it is known as face-centered unit cell. If the unit cell consists of an atom at each corner and two atoms in the center of any two opposite faces, then it is known as base-centered or end-centered unit cell. In 1848, Auguste Bravais discovered that the above four types of unit cells can be combined with the 7 types of crystal systems to form 14 unique crystal lattices known as the Bravais lattices. The 14 unique Bravais lattices are simple cubic, body-centered cubic, face-centered cubic, simple tetragonal, body-centered tetragonal, simple orthorhombic, body-centered orthorhombic, base-centered orthorhombic, face-centered orthorhombic, simple monoclinic, base-centered monoclinic, simple triclinic, simple rhombohedral, and simple hexagonal lattices. Thus, Bravais lattice is 3-dimensional arrangements of atoms in unit cells which form a crystal. The related term is